Hi everyone, welcome to Optical Gadgets YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see how the alarm propagation happens in case on fiber cut at a regenerator node for 10G Ethernet client carried over OTU4 signal. Here the OTU2EJ object will be created to carry the 10G. Let's assume there's a 3-node setup present. Let's cut the fiber at node B P1 port. Loss of signal alarm will get reported at P1 port. So, P1 port of node B will insert BDI in upstream direction and the cross-connected P2 port will insert AIS in downstream direction. Node A P2, line port, will report OTU BDI and its channelized OTU2EJ object also will have a BDI, but it will be suppressed since OTU BDI has the higher priority. This representation may change depending upon the OTN product manufacturer. Node A client port P1 will have a OTU2EK BDI alarm. Node C P1 port will have OTU4K AIS alarm. Also the channelized OTU2EK will have the AIS alarm. Node C client port P2 will have OTU2E AIS alarm and this will insert the BDI alarm in upstream direction, hence the node B P2 port will have a OTU4K D alarm. The Ethernet tester -2 will report link down and local fault alarm and node C client port P2 will report remote fault alarm. The Ethernet tester 1 will report remote fault alarm. Thank you for watching this video. Hit like and comment below if you like the video. And subscribe to the channel for such informative videos. Have a great learning ahead.